Good morning, children. Fourth class English subject. Already one lesson we have completed, Nana. Today we go to the second lesson. Okay, Nana. So what is the lesson name here? We have Tenali Raman and the Key to Heaven. Okay, na? Tenali Raman and the Key to the Heaven. So this is your English textbook, Nana. This is your English textbook, and children, those who did not purchase the books, you have to purchase the books as soon as possible. Okay, na? And this is the story we have here. First we will discuss about the main point. Okay, na? So Tenali Raman and the Key to the Heaven. Okay, na? So Krishnadeva was the king of Vijayanagara Empire. Krishnadeva was the king of Vijayanagara Empire. In his empire, so Tenali Raman was one of his courtiers. Courtiers means what, Nana? Hard word. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S. Courtiers. Courtiers means what, Nana? Courtiers ante em cheppandi? Atana సామ్రాజ్యంలో అతను ఒక ఆస్థాన కవి అంటాం. ఆస్థాన కవిని courtiers అంటాం. ఓకేనా? Okay. So how this Tenali Raman, he was very clever, witty and intelligent man. Okay, na? How was Tenali Raman? Tenali Ramakrishna was very intelligent, witty and clever. So whatever problems are there in his empire, so all the problems he used to solve. Whatever the problems are there in his kingdom, so he used to solve all the problems for the king. So we will discuss today about this a small story. So most of the children, you all know about Tenali Ramakrishna. The cartoons you have already seen. Many cartoons are there. As I know, children, many stories also you have heard about the Tenali Ramakrishna. So today we will see one of the story, very interesting story. Today we will discuss about this Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay, na? Okay. Children, please open your textbook page number 14. Okay, na? So first I will read the sentences, paragraph, Nana. Then I will explain the topic. Okay, na? Yes. Krishnadeva was one of the Vijayanagara in the 16th century. Tenali Raman was one of his courtiers. He was a clever, witty and intelligent man. Intelligent spelling. So intelligent means what, Nana? I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T. Intelligent. Intelligent means what? Chala తెలివైన వాడు అని అంటాం. చాలా తెలివిగలవాడిని ఇంటెలిజెంట్ అంటాం. Okay, he helped the king in all situations. So there are many stories that show his cleverness. Just how I told you, there are many stories. All of you know the stories also. Many of the stories about him you all know. Yes or no, children? Yes. Here we have one story. So today we will discuss about this story. Okay, what are the characters are there? We'll see. First, what are the characters are there in the story? We'll see now first. Courtier 1, Courtier 2, King Krishnadeva, Tenali Raman, the Sadhu, Villager 1 and Villager 2. These are the characters we have in this story. So Courtier 1, Courtier 2, King Krishnadeva, Tenali Raman, next Sadhu, next Villager 1 and the Villager 2. This is about the who are the persons are there in this story. Okay, now we'll start the story. Courtier 1, rise all and the king is here. Okay, na? I'll repeat, Nana. Courtier 1, rise all and the king is here. The king enters the court with the usual ceremony and trumpets playing. So, Nana, when king is coming into the courtiers, so when the king is entering into the court, what will happen, Nana? So all the people who are there in the hall, all will be standing and wishing him. Yes or no, children? Yes, in the same manner, all have stood and they were wishing the king. Okay, Courtier 1 and 2 and Tenali Raman. Greetings, your majesty. How they will wish, Nana? In those olden days, now we used to hi, hello, how are you? I will say now. Nowadays. But in the 16th century, when they are olden days, how they used to wish? They used to wish like this. Okay, my majesty, like that they used to namaskaram andi ani cheppanta kada ala anamata. So greetings, your majesty ani cheppane-vallu anamata. Okay, Krishnadeva looking around, greetings. Where are my 3 ministers? So the Krishnadeva entered into the court and he was sitting on in his place and he was observing all the people and he was asking, what he was asking? Where are my 3 ministers? He was asking, where are my 3 ministers? What the 3 ministers there? We'll see now. Courtier 2, your majesty, they have gone to meet the miracle Sadhu who has come to our kingdom. Okay, na? Where are our asking. Who? Krishnadeva is asking. So what the courtier 2 said? Your Majesty, they have gone to meet the miracle sadhu who has come to our kingdom. So one sadhu has come to our kingdom. So they went near the sadhu. They were telling. Okay, now miracle. Third hard word. M-I-R-A-C-L-A, miracle. Okay, now fourth, sadhu. S-A-D-H-U, sadhu. Okay, now these are the hard words. Now you have to write in your notebooks also compulsory. Majesty. M-A-J-E-S-T-Y, majesty. Okay, now? Yes. Courtier, your Majesty, they have gone to meet the miracle sadhu who has come to our kingdom. So one sadhu has come to our kingdom. So they all went to meet. He said, Krishnadeva, surprised. Who is this sadhu? They have heard. I have not heard of him. So who was? Krishnadeva is asking, telling that Krishnadeva is very surprised. Who is this sadhu? He is asking. Who is this sadhu who came to our kingdom? He is asking. I have not heard about him. I did not heard about him. In eppudu villedi antunadu. Turns to Raman. Raman, do you know about him? And he was asking to Raman. He was asking to Tenali Raman. Raman, do you know about this sadhu? He is asking. He was questioning to the Raman. Raman, amused. I heard some people talking about this sadhu. It seems he has come from the Himalayas and can perform miracles. Okay, now what Raman is telling Nana? Of course, Krishnadeva, of course, Raja. Yes, I had heard about his sadhu, and he has come from Himalayas and can solve many problems of the people. It seems, and he can perform many miracles. It seems he was telling. Okay, courtier 1. Yes, my Majesty. People offers him fruits, vegetables and clothes along with gold and silver coins. So, the courtier 1 is telling, yes, your Majesty, on Maharaja, so many of the people in our dynasty, in our kingdom, they are offering what? Fruits, vegetables, gold coins, silver coins, they are offering to that sadhu. Courtier 2, he performs elaborate pujas and heals diseases if you pay him well. So, the courtier 2 is telling, what he is telling? He performs elaborate pujas. So he performs elaborate and chala pedda pujalu chestaru అని అర్థం. And heals diseases. Diseases means if you are feeling not healthy, if you have any diseases, so he is going to cure them well. Okay, Nana, if you have any disease, where you will go? We have to go to the hospital. We have to go to the sadhu sa. We have to go to the sadhu sa. No, we have to go to the hospital. But all these people are going near the sadhu itself. So the king was very surprised. So we'll see now what happened. We'll see now. Okay, now Krishnadeva thoughtfully, the court is dismissed. So what is it called? Krishnadeva was in a confused stage. So what is said? Now the court is dismissed. So we are now stopping the court now. We will meet again the next week. So what is Krishnadeva is telling? We will meet you, all of you, in the next week. We will meet you. He was telling. The courtiers and the Raman turn to go, but the king stops Raman. So all the people are going from from the court. So all the people are going out of the court. So this Raman also is going out of the court. When the Raman is going out of the court, the Krishnadeva stopped him. Krishnadeva stopped him. Raman, please wait. I think this sadhu is fooling our people and cheating them. So what this all the people went out from the court. Only when this Raman is also going out of the court, the Krishnadeva asked him to stop. So after all went out, and this Krishnadeva is asking to the Raman, I think this sadhu is fooling all our peoples. So we have to, and he is cheating our people. So we have to look after him. He said, okay, now once again I'll repeat. Nana, listen. The court is dismissed. We will meet again the next day. The courtiers and the Raman turned to go, but the king stopped Raman. Raman, please wait. I think this sadhu is fooling our people and cheating them. Okay, now what to this Krishnadeva is telling to Raman that the sadhu is cheating our people and he is fooling our people. So we have to solve this problem. He was telling. Raman, yes, Your Majesty. Yes, sir. Now, yes, sir, అని చెప్తాం. బట్ అప్పట్లో ఏమన్నా yes, Majesty అని చెప్పాలి. Majesty మీన్స్ అంటే అవును యువరాజా ఆజ్ఞాపించండి అని చెప్పని అంటాడు. Yes, yes, Your Majesty. I think so too. అవునండి. Yes, I think so too. Yes, నేను అలాగే అనుకుంటున్నాను అంటున్నాడు. I think he looks like a sadhu and is looting out people's money. Only he is looking like a sadhu, but is not a original sadhu. I am thinking that he is not a original sadhu. He is only looking like a sadhu, and he is looting our people's money. Do not worry, Your Majesty. So Raman is telling, Majesty, Your Majesty, you please don't worry about him. I will look after this problem you are telling. I will pay this sadhu a visit and expose his true nature to the people. So first I will go and visit to this sadhu. First I will go and visit the sadhu and see and observe what is happening there, and later I will prove the sadhu and what is the truth. What is the truth is happening? He was telling to the Krishnadevaraya. So I will pay this sadhu to visit and expose his true nature to the people. So whatever the true nature of this sadhu is there, so I will expose to the people, he was telling. Krishnadevaraya, thank you, Raman. Krishnadevaraya is telling, okay Raman, thank you. Please solve this problem, he was telling. So this is the Tenali Ramakrishna and the key to the heaven. Only half story only we have completed. మనం కొంచెం స్టోరీ మాత్రమే కంప్లీట్ చేసాము. మీకు ఈ స్టోరీ అంతా కూడా అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ నౌ. ఓకేనా? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్ చూడండి, శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయ ఎవరు? అతను ఒక రాజు. ఎవరికి? విజయనగర సామ్రాజ్యానికి ఒక రాజు. అది ఎప్పుడు ఏ సెంచరీలో ఉండేది? 16th సెంచరీలో ఉండేది అనమాట. సో అతని సామ్రాజ్యంలో, అతని రాజ్యంలో తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ అనే ఒక ఆస్థాన కవి ఉండేవారు అనమాట. అతను ఎవరు? చాలా తెలివైన వాడు, చాలా తెలివితేటలతో, చాలా చాకచక్యంతో ప్రతి ఒక్కటి కూడా వ్యవహరించేవారు అనమాట. సో తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ అతని ఆస్థానంలో ఉండటం వల్ల కృష్ణదేవరాయకి చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ గా చాలా విషయాలు హెల్ప్ చేశారు. సో మనందరం కూడా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి వరకు నేర్చుకొని ఉంటాం. ఏమని? కృష్ణదేవరాయ గురించి, తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ స్టోరీస్ మీ అందరూ చూసుంటారు. టీవీలో కార్టూన్స్ కూడా చాలా వస్తుంటాయి కదా, మనకి చాలా చూసుంటారు కదా. మీ అందరికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కదా? ఓకే. సో ఇవాళ మనం ఒక స్టోరీ తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. కృష్ణదేవరాయ తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ స్టోరీ మనము చూడబోతున్నాం. ఏంటంటే ఈ తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ స్టోరీలో సో ఒక ఆ ఊర్లో వాళ్ళ సామ్రాజ్యంలో కంట ఒక ఎవరు వచ్చారు? ఒక సాధు వచ్చాడంట. సాధు వచ్చి ఏం చేశాడంట? అక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రజలందరినీ ఫూల్ చేస్తున్నాడంట. ఏ విధంగా ఫూల్ చేస్తున్నాడు? మీకైనా జబ్బులున్నా, మీకైనా సమస్యలున్నా, బాధలున్నా కూడా మీ సమస్యను సాల్వ్ చేస్తా, మిమ్మల్ని సమస్య నుంచి కాపాడుతానని చెప్పి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా మనీ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడంట. సో ఈ విషయం ఏమైంది? ఈ విషయం ఎవరికి తెలిసింది? ఆ విషయము కృష్ణదేవరాయ అనే రాజుకి తెలిసిందనమాట. సో అప్పుడు కృష్ణదేవరాయ ఏం చేశారు? రామన్ని పిలిచి రామన్కి చెప్పారు, రామన్ ఈ సమస్య ఒకసారి నువ్వు చూడు అని చెప్పారు. అప్పుడు రామన్ ఏమన్నాడు? మహారాజా మీరేం బాధపడకండి, ఈ విషయాన్ని సమస్య నేను సాల్వ్ చేస్తాను. సో ఫస్ట్ నేను ఆ సాధువుని కలుస్తాను, ఆ సాధువు నేచర్ ఏంటో కనుక్కొని తన ప్రవర్తన ఏంటో చూసి దాన్ని బట్టి ప్రజలందరికీ కూడా తను నిజమైన సాధువా లేక వేషం వేసుకొని వచ్చాడా అని చెప్పని నేను ప్రజలందరి ముందు నిలబెట్టి ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట. ఇది మన స్టోరీ అన్న. ఓన్లీ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీ వి హావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. So up to here you read the lesson Nana. If you read only, you will understand the content. The pronunciation is main important Nana. I think you all have observed the pronunciation. So children, like that only you have to read the lesson properly and perfectly. So whatever the hard words you feel in this lesson, please underline the hard words, enter into your notes. So next topic we'll discuss tomorrow. So this is the story of Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay na? So only half is completed, remaining half we'll discuss later. Okay na? Okay.